Hey guys, I'm very excited to share this automation tool that I built with you. This is a LinkedIn outreach post generator that I think it's very useful if you're a content creator or a small business owner that you want to reach out to people in LinkedIn and you want to send them a personalized um, message. So I think this is literally the first video I'm going to post in YouTube, and I'm going to share with you how I built this and if they can be helpful to you guys. So the first thing that we need to do is on Google Chrome extension shop that you have to add. You have to install this tool called Magical. This is a free tool to use. Magical is one of the LinkedIn profile scraper that is able to download uh, LinkedIn profiles basically from LinkedIn, and so that you can get people's names, profiles, headlines, and where they have worked, what education they have had. So that's the first thing they have to do. You can see I've already added in. And the second thing that you have to do is to, if I hover back to the automation itself, it starts from the Google Sheet. So basically, what you have to do is basically I've linked my own Google Sheets. This starts from the Google Sheets. So I have created Google Sheets called testing file one, and then you have to put in the sheet name, which is sheet number one. Um, and then the table contains headers, and then the rows and limit. I don't really change most of these, but for the limit, this would be the maximum number of results that you want to work with in your every execution, right? So basically, what it means is if I go to the testing file that I created, and then you can see I've already run this automation a couple of times. I'm able to scrape people, LinkedIn profiles, full names, job titles, company name, school, and then you are able to customize the information that you want from Magical, which I'm going to show you later on. Um, and then basically what we're interested in is column J, which is personalized message. So this is what this automation is able to output for you based on the LinkedIn profiles that you have extracted from the internet. So what I'm going to do is hover back to LinkedIn. This is, just random guy's LinkedIn profile. And then, once you have activated Magical, what you can see is Magical has the function of basically highlighting, the content that you want to scrape from the profiles. And then there's another automation, which is the first option, usually shown as the first option in our automation tab. It's this button that's able to basically transfer the data from LinkedIn to the sheet that I just created. So if I click on it, it should give me the data on the last row. Says Adrian Lee, manager EYP, blah, blah, blah. So this is, the information that I have already mapped, so that I want to make sure that I'm able to capture those information to be able to generate my personalized message. So you're able to do this as many times as you want, or even if I want, what I can do is if I can go ahead and click on people's profiles. I'm sorry, I should open a new tab. Okay, and then open another new tab. Just want to show you this very cool stuff. Go back to once you have activated, what you can do is you can go back to the Google Sheet and click on basically the role, and any empty role. What I can do is I click on the slash twice, and then I'm able to transfer all LinkedIn profile tabs. As you can see, I've opened 3 tabs. So if I click on it, it's going to load values into the sheet. There we go. So now I have the full data. I'm going to go back to make.com. So the first component in this automation is the Google Sheets watch new roles function. And then the second one is So I have created Perplexity AI, but basically, you can also do basically anything you want. And the reason why I want to do that is just want to show you, Perplexity AI has the function to um, search. So I told Perplexity AI, you're founder of ReplyHound.ai. So ReplyHound.ai again is another product. My team has built. It is a AI outreach product that's able to send personalized replies to um, uh, threads imposed in Twitter. I'm gonna definitely do another video about ReplyHunt.ai, but basically what I want to showcase to you is that I can tell Perplexity, you're the founder of ReplyHunt.ai, your task is to um, be able to pass the output to another LLM, which is ChatGPT, about the product. So, output the information necessary for the next big LLM to achieve the goal to generate the personalized content. So this is a prompt, and the role should be user all the time. I don't really give it maximum tokens and temperatures. Just want to. So by the way, max tokens are tokens including both input and output, depending on how much text and pictures that you're putting into the request, and how many pictures and words you're outputting in the results. Usually it's, I believe, I can't really, don't quote me on this, but maybe like 5 characters for token. And then different LLMs have different price for the tokens. And temperature is basically usually putting it very low if you want the result to be very stable without any creativity. If you put a very higher temperature, it's gonna give you some I'll say deviation from what the results pattern that you asked the AI to do. So once I click on the OK, Perplexity AI is going to give you the outcome, and then the next step, I think the most important step here is in um, OpenAI. Create and completion component. So what this does is, by the way, first of all, you have to, for both Perplexity and OpenAI, you would have to link to your own account with a personal API. A personal API is something that you want to protect very, very carefully, and they're personal to you. Basically, you have to top up like $5 for each of these accounts to be able to use that. Once you're in, select model. I've selected 4 mini because it's a cheaper um, model to use, and it's you know good enough. So that again, I've given it a role as user, and the role is you're the founder of Repline AI. Here's the basic information that you didn't know, and as you can see, this is the message content that's generated from Perplexity AI. Um, and then the task is create a personal message for this person, which is the full name that's from the new roles from Google Sheets, and job titles, company names, key information, headlines, and then the other thing which I learned the other day is pretty cool is um, about prompt engineering. This is probably a little bit off the topic, but I always want to make sure that I give a compliment to the AI so that people are saying, you're going to get better results from complimenting the AI. The specifics are basically the description of the task that you want the AI to do. So I'm asking you to write a short and effective DM in LinkedIn, just professional, catchy, should be briefly about your product and try to link with people's person's information for a better, more personalized hook and ask for trying out the product. So, and then lastly, have the note, which is don't return the subject, just greet the user in the end, just quote yourself as reply on top AI team, keep the message short and sweet. So again, I didn't even really input. Oh, I did have a maximum completion token, which is set by default at a 2048. So once I click on OK, the last step is I want to be able to make sure that I am outputting the personalized message into the roll number, which is because at the very first component right here, uh, there is a roll number um, that correspond to the new role that's been created. So I want to make sure that I'm inputting on the same role, but on a different column. So So as you can see, the row number is I'm using the same row number as the watch new rows component, and then I'm outputting the message content from the ChatGPT component to column J, right? So that's basically the whole process of this thing, and I'm just going to show you a very quick demo of what this thing can do. But before that, I just want to make sure that I'm not overusing my because I've created a few rows. I'm just going to say I'm just saying it two, and because I think that the operation is left at row number 12. So let's see what it does. I think it's supposed to generate two replies starting from row number 12. That's what it should do. All right, so I just finished one of them and we're waiting for the second. Um, really, you don't really need Perplexity AI to generate the result for two of them, honestly. I think so. It finished. As you can see, two things are passed over. If I go back to testing file one, I should be able to see exactly row number 12, Adrian Lee, column J. Here's the output. Hi, Adrian. I put this email finds you well as a manager at UIP with strong experience. Um, you know, do you understand the importance of effective communication drive engagement? Reply how we have developed an AI tool. And you get the idea, right? So I've generated two replies for these two people. Um, and what you can ask your marketing team to do is go ahead and copy and paste these two personalized DM to LinkedIn, and then so that the information are very personalized. So this is basically the automation I want to share with you guys for this video. I'm gonna, go ahead and share the template in the description. So anyway, you get the idea. I hope this is helpful. And um, to make this even better, what I have also created is, people are gonna reply to your DMs um, in LinkedIn, and we can actually keep this thing going if we tell AI to write a AI generated reply to people's reply, right? So that's the idea. I hope you enjoyed the video. Um, there are many more to come, I promise you. And um, leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm on the journey to learn about AI, and I hope you can grow with me. Thank you.